Could you please state the race that you identify as?
Caucasian or white.
Do you believe that you can arrange to be in the company of people of your race most of the time?
Yes.
If you were to move, do you believe that you'd be able to purchase a house in an area which you would want to live?
Yes.
Do you believe your neighbors would be friendly to you? If not, why not?
I believe so, unless I gave them a reason not to.
How did you learn of systematic racism?
Through social media.
Please say the race that you identify as.
Greek.
If you were to move, do you feel like you'd be able to find a house that you feel comfortable living in that neighborhood?
Yes.
And you can, afford it?
Yeah.
Do you think your neighbors would like you?
Yeah.
Or would be pleasant towards you?
Yeah, for the most part.
If a cop pulled you over, could you say that it was definitely not because of your race?
Well, there was one time when my dad was pulled over and the cop assumed that we were Mexican without even knowing what our name was or our ethnicity. So I can't really say that, no.
Do you think that systematic racism applies to you?
In some ways, yes.
For this project, I interviewed two of my good friends. One of them identifying as white and the other identifying as Greek. One of the main problems I have with this project was finding people here at Clemson that identified as a race other than white. Then I started examining my friend groups. I found out most of them were white. And I don't really know if that's my fault and something I should blame myself for, but I do know that it's hard to ask white people about white privilege. But then I started thinking, maybe that is part of my white privilege. Maybe it's part of my privilege that I get to surround myself with people like myself all the time. People that get what I'm going through. People that understand what it's like to be white. But maybe that's a flaw too. Because if no one ever tells me what it's like not to be white, would I really ever get it?